A variety of different oils are supposed to cure dandruff, reverse hair loss and darken gray hair: mineral oil, olive oil, castor oil, almond oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, brahmi oil, mustard oil, nigella oil, sesame oil, argan oil, and rosemary oil. However, in all the above known areas, guava is one unsung fruit which is most effective. Just like the fruit, its leaves are also great to control blood sugar levels and alleviate period pains. It is rich in vitamin C and is good for the intestines, skin, and heart. And that's not all. Guava leaves have the ability in controlling hair fall. Please don't skip the video, as we are going to see the procedure of making guava leaves tea, which will give you immediate relief in most of your hair problems. Did you know that guava leaves also help with hair growth? Hair loss or the lack of hair mostly affects men, who then resorts to aesthetical procedures like hair transplant and chemical products to make their hair grow faster and more voluminous. When it comes to treating hair loss, we are often caught up with the use of topical medications, ointments, and treatment instead of attacking the problem from the inside out. The reality, however, is that most hair loss problems can be solved if we also focus on an internal approach. One of the main reasons why some people lose their hair is due to unhealthy scalp condition. Are you enjoying this video? Then give it a thumbs up to help the channel. And over time they break and fall out. This means that if you address the scalp problem, not only will you prevent the hair loss in the first place, but you'll also grow back your hair naturally. If you also want your hair to grow but want to stay away from chemicals, then guava leaves can help you on this mission. Guava leaves provides your body and hair follicles with the essential nutrients it needs to help prevent hair loss and increase hair growth naturally. Guava leaves are packed with analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties, which makes them quite effective at combating some form of hair loss. That's exactly what guava leaves will help you to do. Are you enjoying this video? Then give it a thumbs up to help the channel. One of the many benefits of guava is that it interrupts and prevents hair loss because it is rich in vitamins A, B, and C, and also in lycopene, fiber, and potassium. All of that makes the hair healthier and stronger. Did you know that? To make a guava leaf tea, boil handful of guava leaves in a liter of water around 15 to 20 minutes. Turn off the heat and wait 30 minutes for it to cool down a little. After that, you can use the tea. First, wash your hair with your regular shampoo. Apply the tea that we made over the scalp and roots after the water reaches to room temperature. Massage your scalp for 20 minutes so that the mixture can be absorbed. Doing it will prevent hair loss, stimulate hair growth, avoid dandruff and oiliness, and will also make your hair softer and shinier. Fantastic, isn't it? If you want to stop your hair loss, try this natural recipe and then share your experiences with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.